Foods that can cause miscarriage in early pregnancy. Your journey of motherhood starts with pregnancy. It is crucial for a pregnant woman to have a balanced and nutritious diet, and to ensure proper health of her baby and herself. However, there are certain foods like papaya, pineapple, crabs, eggs, and seafoods that pregnant women should refrain from consuming. This is because these food items can trigger a probable miscarriage, especially during the first trimester of pregnancy, when pregnant women are usually at a higher risk of having one. It is essential for pregnant women to take care while incorporating foods into their diet and avoid specific foods during pregnancy to prevent a likely miscarriage. While the significance of other factors like the age and health of the pregnant woman, her lifestyle and food habits, cannot be disregarded, it is advisable for her to stay away from these food items, particularly during the early stages of the pregnancy. These foods may cause widening or opening of the cervix and inner contractions in a pregnant woman, thereby putting her at risk of a miscarriage. Pregnant women should avoid certain foods that cause miscarriage in early pregnancy. Pregnant women must also keep in mind to stay away from fruits that cause miscarriage. The foods that may cause a miscarriage are listed below. Pineapple. Eating pineapple or drinking pineapple juice during the first trimester of your pregnancy can result in a stillbirth. Pineapple consists of bromelain, which is responsible for causing contractions in pregnant women. This can cause a miscarriage. So, it is better to avoid this fruit during the first trimester of your pregnancy. Papaya. Papaya is one of the dangerous miscarriage-inducing food items. Green or unripe papaya contains enzymes that can lead to uterine contractions, leading to a miscarriage. That's why a pregnant woman should avoid consuming green papaya, especially during her pregnancy. Avoid eating it in a salad or in the dishes made out of it. Wild apples. Pregnant women should avoid having wild apples during pregnancy. Because of their acidic and sour properties, they may induce the uterus into contracting. This can lead to premature labor or a miscarriage. Peach. Peaches are believed to be hot in nature. If consumed in large quantities during pregnancy, it can produce excessive heat in the pregnant woman's body. This can lead to internal bleeding, resulting in a miscarriage. Moreover, pregnant women may bear in mind to peel the skin before eating it, as the hair of the fruit can cause burning and itching in the throat. Drumsticks. Drumsticks, which are commonly used in sambar, are full of vitamins, iron and potassium. But these veggies contain alpha-sythosterol, which is harmful for a pregnant woman to be consumed. This estrogen-like structure can lead to a miscarriage. Hence, pregnant women must stay away from consuming this during pregnancy. Aloe vera. The amazing aloe vera is well known for its numerous health benefits. But several studies indicate that pregnant women may deliberate before eating aloe vera during pregnancy. This is because aloe vera comprises of anthraquinones, a kind of laxative that can induce contractions of the uterus and pelvic bleeding, which can lead to a possible miscarriage. Although superficially applied aloe vera gel is not considered unsafe during pregnancy. Sesame seeds. Pregnant women may like to stay away from eating sesame seeds during the early stages of pregnancy. Sesame seeds when consumed along with honey can cause trouble during pregnancy. Though, pregnant women may sparingly have black sesame seeds during the later stages of pregnancy, as they are believed to benefit in delivery. Raw dairy products. Unpasteurized or raw dairy products like milk, gorgonzola, mozzarella, feta cheese, and brie may possess disease-carrying bacteria like Listeria monocytogenes, which can be harmful to the pregnancy. It is not considered safe for pregnant women to eat or drink anything that is made from raw milk, as it can lead to unnecessary complications in the pregnancy. Caffeine. According to many researchers, caffeine in moderation is not considered unsafe during pregnancy. Still, it is advisable for pregnant women to observe some restraint, as increased levels of caffeine during pregnancy can lead to pregnancy problems like miscarriage or low birth weight. Moreover, caffeine is believed to be diuretic or dehydrating by some experts, which means it can lead to a fluid loss in the body. It is essential to keep in mind that caffeine occurs in many food items like tea, coffee, chocolates, and some energy and aerated drinks. Herbs. Most experts recommend that pregnant women should avoid taking herbs during pregnancy. Certain herbs have steroids which can adversely affect the baby's growth during pregnancy. Herbs like centella, if consumed by a pregnant woman, may cause harm to the liver, resulting in severe jaundice and probable damage to the baby's brain. Herbs like dongquai, gachucola may contain agents that can initiate miscarriage or premature delivery. It is always sensible to consult a doctor before consuming any herbs. Eggs or poultry. Care should be taken while consuming eggs or poultry during pregnancy. This is because eggs may carry bacteria called salmonella, which can lead to problems like food poisoning, diarrhea, fever, intestinal pain or even a miscarriage. It is critical to cook the eggs thoroughly, till the white and yolk of the egg turn solid. This helps in killing the bacteria and making it safe to consume. Pregnant women may also refrain from eating foods that list raw eggs as its ingredients like eggnog, homemade mayonnaise, mousses, soufflés, smoothies containing raw eggs. Crabs. Besides its scrumptious taste, crab is also packed with high levels of calcium and nutrients. But, you should avoid eating them too much during early stages of pregnancy, as they can cause the uterus to shrink, causing internal bleeding or even stillbirth. Besides, it also contains a high level of cholesterol, which isn't good for a pregnant woman's health. Animal liver. A liver is generally healthy and is packed with vitamin A. While it is not unsafe to eat it once or twice in the month, it can be harmful if you eat it every day during pregnancy. Eating it every day can lead to a high buildup of retinol that can be harmful for your unborn baby. Processed meat. Consuming processed meat like sausages, stuffed meat, pate, minced meat, salami, deli meat, pepperoni during pregnancy is usually deemed unsafe. This is because the meat may harbor bacteria like Toxoplasma gondii, Listeria or Salmonella, which can cause food poisoning. Pregnant women should particularly avoid eating undercooked or raw meat, because the bacteria present in the meat can pass on to the baby, causing severe problems like miscarriage, premature delivery or stillbirth. Therefore, it is essential to cook the meat properly or to rewarm it thoroughly before consuming it. Seafood. Most seafood varieties like shellfish, oysters, sashimi, sushi, prawns may be polluted with bacteria like Listeria, which when consumed by pregnant women can result in pregnancy problems like preterm labor or miscarriage. Raw or fresh seafood is usually at high risk of being potentially contaminated with parasites like tapeworms and viruses, thereby exposing pregnant women to infections like listeriosis and food poisoning. It is advisable for pregnant women to keep in mind to consume only well-cooked seafood, especially if dining in a Japanese restaurant, where they usually cook seafood only on the outside and serve it rare. Thanks for watching. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.